And so, Lonnie, if you watch the news 24/7, you're probably going to hear about most recalls because they are reported in the news. Right. But let's say you don't catch it. You don't catch the news. You don't know that something you're using has been recalled. Has to happen a lot.
Yeah. It does. And there are ways to find out about recalls, but you essentially have to actively do it yourself. You have to go to the website that was mentioned before with the Consumer Product Safety Commission. There's another one called recalls.gov. Very easy to remember, recalls.gov. It actually consolidates all 6 federal agencies that look over food, cosmetics, drugs, cars, any type of consumer product, and they're all on that website. So you can go through their list and see what's on there. It gives you safety tips. It also provides a place for you to report any incidents that you've had of using something that seemed dangerous or gave you an adverse reaction. That's how they find out about these things for the recall. There's one other way that most people don't know about. When you open up a product, say you buy a hairdryer, and there's the directions, and there's that other little piece of paper that says warranty registration, and we usually just throw it out along with the directions. If you fill that out and send it into the manufacturer, you are now on their registration list. So if anything goes wrong with that product, you will be contacted personally by the manufacturer. So you don't have to worry about just catching it haphazardly on a recall list or on the news. They will contact you personally, and you will know firsthand that there's something wrong with that product.
And Lonnie, short of litigation, because that can always bring you back a loved one, what other options do consumers have?
You know, it's really something that you want to think about in prevention first, because once something happens, the most the manufacturer's really going to offer you is that fix-it kit or the refund if you send the product back. If you're seriously injured or, heaven forbid, someone dies, you are probably going to have to sue. And that's where you get these class action suits where it's usually a number of victims who've been victimized by this product sue at the same time. The lawyers, thank heavens, usually take it on a contingency fee, so you don't have to pay the lawyers' fees ahead of time. They just take a nice big chunk of the award that's given out at the end. But for anything other than just the fix-it or the refund, you're probably going to have to sue.
Thank you, Lonnie.